Hey guys, welcome back to VRK Homemaker. We are in Vishweshwaraya Museum, which is Electrotechnic Gallery. Guys, this is yesterday's continuation vlog. And before getting inside the video, you know right guys, what to do? Please do subscribe, share, like my videos. What all purpose we all use the electricity for lighting, heating, cooling and refrigeration, and for operating appliances, computers, electronics, machinery and public transportation system. Electricity has many uses in our day-to-day life. It is used for lighting rooms, working fans and domestic appliances like using electric stoves, AC and more. Electricity also provides means of amusement, radio, television and cinema, which are the most popular forms of entertainment or result of electricity. Without electricity, can you be alive at this generation? Never. And without cell phone also, we can't stay for a minute also. So guys, we came to know how important in our life electricity is. Guys, we are done with Electrotechnic Gallery and now we entered Biotechnology Gallery, which is the area of biology involving the use of living systems and organisms to develop or make products depending on the tools and applications. Here, the agriculture has been theorized to have become the dominant way of producing food since the Neolithic Revolution. Through early biotechnology, the earliest farmers selected the best suited crops having the highest yields to produce enough food to support a growing population. As crops and fields became increasingly large and difficult to maintain, it was discovered that specific organisms and their byproducts could effectively fertilize, restore nitrogen, and control pests. Throughout the history of agriculture, farmers have inadvertently altered the genetics of their crops through introducing them to new environments and breeding them with other plants. Guys, here is the end of Biotechnology Gallery. Now we move on to the space technology, which is really very special, and the way they have designed it is really amazing and fabulous job they have done. In this space technology, you can just understand what is the space, flight mechanics, launch complex, mission control center, be an astronaut, satellites, rockets, space applications, GPS, International Space Station, space astronomy, story of space, space spin-off, Indian space programming, space materials, space food, space wear. In this video, you're gonna see all this. Just watch and enjoy, guys. I hope you really had a great time to watch this video, and thanks for spending your valuable time to watch this video. Who are watching my channel without subscribing, please do subscribe, share, like my videos, and who have already subscribed my channel, thanks a lot for your support. Guys who have not watched the previous episodes of Visvesvaraya Museum, please go ahead and watch. Don't miss to watch even those vlogs. It will be more interesting. And let's catch up with a more interesting video tomorrow. Until then, take care. Bye bye.